All right, so remember I told you I'll be your tutor on technical analysis for Forex. So let's dive right in now. So for you to start analyzing the Forex chart technically, you need to understand how to use the technical analysis tools, and you need to know how to navigate around the trading view platform. So if you follow me up on this screen, just type in tradingview.com. Yeah, to take you directly to this page. Yeah, so you just sign up your account and you're ready to go. Then you click on charts. Yep. All right, so this is your charts. This is your charts. This is where all your analysis will be going on in the Forex market. This is where everything is going to be taking place. Yeah, so now let me show you around so you can understand how to use this platform. So there are like 4 basic places you need to know how to use, which is this first place. You need to understand how to use this first symbol search. Any symbol you're looking for or any pair you want to trade, be it the Euro USD, click, you're up. It displays on your screen. If you want to do any crypto, you can search for any crypto symbol. BTC USD, you can use it. Any one in particular. So for any pair you're going to be analyzing, for you to bring up the historical data on your screen, you need to search for it here. You need to know the symbol and search for it here. Then now, these other areas here, on the left side of your screen, you're going to see these symbols here. Okay, these are the technical tools I was talking about. These are the tools that we'll use to analyze the Forex markets. Okay, we have the crosshair, the dots. I think we're going to be using the crosshair. I'll favorite it to display here on my floating taskbar. Then we're going to be using the trend line tool. We don't need this. We're going to be using the horizontal ray, vertical line, yes, arrow. So you're going to favorite all the ones you use, and they're going to display on this floating taskbar. Okay, on this other one we need the fib retracement, and okay, I think that's it. Then on the next one we're going to use the brush, the part, the rectangle, yeah. Then after that, the text bar, call out. Yeah, you don't really need the call out though, but let's just have it here. And the next one, you don't need anyone here. We're cool. Then here you're going to need your long position, short position, forecast is not necessary. Dates and price range, you're going to need it, and you're going to need your fixed range volume profile. Yeah, you need that. And of course, you're going to have everything floating right here. So let's just keep this by the side there. And now, on the right side of your screen, you're going to see this price bar. You're going to see this price bar. It shows you the current figure in which that particular symbol or that particular trading pair is currently pricing at. Okay, BTC now as of this video is at 56,157, 56,157. Okay, anywhere my crosshair moves, you see it shows the price level and the date level. So if you follow me up on this video, you're going to understand how all that works and how you're going to be needing them to analyze the Forex market. Now, if you look at the top bar of your screen, this area here, beside the symbol search area, you're going to see the time frames. Now, these are very important now. These are very, 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 very important when it comes to analyzing Forex market. Each candlestick, for every time frame I choose. Now listen, for every time frame I choose, the chart changes. Okay, it changes in a way that for every candlestick, if you're on the weekly time frame, yeah, for every candlestick, okay, for every candlestick, it represents the weekly. It represents what happens in the market for the whole week. I don't know if you understand. It represents what happens in the whole week. Now, if I pick the daily time frame now, yeah, I pick the daily time frame now, it means this is the whole movement, price moved in the whole day. Now, for every 24 hours, a new one will come up. In the next 24 hours, a new one will come up. For the weekly time frame, at the end of the week, a new bar will form, and that's how it continues. And this is what has been happening since the beginning of Bitcoin. Yeah, on the chart. Yeah, that's why I said technical analysis is the use of historical data to analyze and predict future movements in price of the market. You will see how useful that is now in so many videos. Now, we need to still understand our time frames now, okay? The time frames we're going to be using, we're going to be using the 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly. I think those are the important time frames that I use to analyze the Forex market. And okay, sometimes you can use 30 seconds, but not necessary. Okay, and they will all display right here, so you can easily navigate through any of them. Okay, so if you're going to the 4 hour time frame, remember each candlestick is representing 4 hours of what happens in the Forex market. Okay, let's look at another symbol. Let's look at pounds. Pounds trading against the dollar. Yeah, so on the 4 hour time frame, this is what it shows now. Good. Now, that is basically how, unless, okay, hold on. Yes, I think that's everything. That's all you know on how to navigate around the TradingView platform. Okay. Okay. Now, over the course of this video, I mentioned Candlestick a couple of times. Yeah. So, there's going to be a material available for download on the Golearn platform. Yeah. So just take few moments of your time to go through the material to make you understand the whole concept behind Candlestick and why traders use Candlestick so many times and not the line chart and so many other ones. So to make you understand and prepare you on how to trade the Forex market using candlesticks alone. So for you to analyze the Forex market, you need to understand how to use candlesticks to make you understand how to trade the Forex market. Yeah. So that material is going to help you understand that a whole lot. Now, for you to actively trade the Forex market, also, you need to be connected to a broker, and your broker needs to be connected to your MT4 app on your phone. Okay. So Golearn has a link to a recommended broker in which we all use here at Golearn, you know, and it's one of the best and suitable for new students like you. Okay, so let me explain what a broker is. Yeah, a broker is just like a middleman between you and the market. You know, you can't, for you to trade Forex in CFD manner, in a contract for difference, you know, you can't actually go physically to, you know, to the counter and like, okay, you're taking dollar to buy euro and for you to be in profit. You understand? You can just like, a broker is already doing that for you. You understand? A broker is a middleman between you and the market. You know? So for you to actually buy and sell, everything is done inside the brokerage. So nobody needs to. It's just like a market. The broker is just like a market where buyers and sellers connect, you know, to buy and sell different currency pairs. So, and we have a recommended one for you. Link is at Golearn. Click it and register now. So once you register, it's going to be here. Yes. So once you click the link, it's going to take you to this homepage. Yeah. I already have mine logged in. Just sign up. Once you sign up, you need to be connected. You're going to need your valid ID card. Okay, because this is a regulated broker, you know, and regulated brokers are trusted. They cannot and will never, that's why they're regulated, they will never run away with your money. Okay, so that's why you need your valid government ID card or an active bank statement. Actually, both of them. Actually, you're going to need both a valid ID card and your bank statement. Okay, a screenshot of the bank statement to register for the brokerage, and it takes like 2 days to once you're under that link, it takes less than 2 days to verify your profile, and boom, you're already ready to trade the forex market. Yeah. So once you do that, let me show you how to create a real account. Yeah. So on this page, you're gonna click the my account page. It's gonna bring you here. Okay. Then you see this one here. You click open a new account. Yeah, I'm going to show you this page for new traders like you. Okay, I will advise you start with a demo account first, to test your skills and to test what you've learned from analyzing the forex market. Okay, so create a demo account first. Practice for like 2 months. All what I taught you, all I'm going to tutor you on this course. Okay, practice for like 2 months, and let's see how that reflects before you translate to a real account. Okay, so once you I advise you use a standard account. As a novice, I advise you use a standard account, which is nice, suitable for you. Okay, minimum deposit is $1 with our recommended broker. Minimum deposit is $1. Okay, so once you just click here, try demo. Okay, because we're going to be using an MT4 platform or MT5, anyone you're going to be using, click them. I recommend MT4. So demo, leverage. As a beginner, recommended leverage for you to use should be between 1 to 200 and 1 to 500. But let's just say 1 to 200, which is best. Okay, 1 to 200. Okay, currency dollar. Cannot nickname your account. Okay, create a password. Go and boom. Golearn. Create a password. Okay. Then hit the create account button. So once it's being prepared, to show you under your demo, okay, that a standard account has been created, okay, and the minimum deposit $500 has been set, okay, the balance has been set to 500. So you click this point here, okay, and click your account information. Once you click account information, it's going to give you the details. It's going to give you the details of your MT4. You need what you need. Now this is where you need to connect your broker to your MetaTrader 4, because the MetaTrader 4 is just like the engine. Okay, that's where you're going to be generating your profit and your losses. Yes, Forex is not the get rich quick scheme. Okay, definitely there are going to be losses, but here at Golearn, we're going to teach you how to manage them. Okay, now MT4 login. Yeah, you're going to need your MT4 login and your password and the server they gave to you. Okay, that's what you're going to need to connect your broker and your MT4. Okay, so when I pick up my device, so I'll just pick up my device, go to the App Store. Yeah, when I go to the App Store, I search for MetaTrader 4. It's here. So install it. While waiting for that to download, okay, remember, Forex is not a get rich quick scheme. Now that it's downloaded, you just open it. Okay, once you open it, there's a custom account waiting for you. Yeah, but I want to teach you how to connect your broker and your MT4. Okay, so that everything is in sync. Okay, once this is done, all right, so we are at the home page now. Okay, this is a custom account already. The middle button here is the trade button. This is the chart. You don't really need the chart since you're going to be analyzing on TradingView. Okay, so now how to connect your broker now? You're going to slide using Android. You slide it here. Okay, you click Manage Account. Then you see this plus sign here. You're going to click it. So log into an existing account. Okay, when you tap that, you're going to ask you to find your broker. Then you type in the server that your broker is giving you. Okay, you type in Exness. Sorry, you type in Exness trial 2. Yeah, Exness trial 2. Then the login, remember, the MT4 login showing on the screen is what you're going to be using. 839. Good. Now it is now connected. Your MT4 and your broker is now successfully connected. Okay. Now you're going to see your trading balance here. You're going to see your trading balance and the pair that is available for you to trade. These are all the pairs that are available for you to trade. Okay. Any symbol you need, any pair you need, you just search for them and it gives it to you. Use CHF. That's it. Okay, now that is how you connect your broker and the MT4 app together. That's how you connect your brokerage to your MT4 app. Okay, now that's all you need to successfully create an account on your broker, linking it to your MT4, and also getting used to the TradingView platform. Okay, now, all right, remember I said something about currency pairs. I know I mentioned it a couple of times. Yeah, I mentioned Euro USD, GBP USD. You might be confused, yeah, but nothing serious. It's actually nothing serious. Okay, this is because Forex is simultaneously buying one currency and selling the other currency. That's just what Forex is. You're buying this pair, you're buying this currency, you're selling the other currency, you're selling the other one, you're buying the other one. That's what Forex definitely is. The currency pair itself is a single unit. You know, an instrument can either be bought or sold. Yeah, I gave you examples already. Euro USD, GBP, JPY. That's between the pounds and the Japanese yen. Okay, USD CHF. That's between the dollar and the Swiss franc. You know. Okay, now the first currency base. Okay, the first one. Let's take for example Euro USD. Okay, the euro is the base. Okay, the euro is the base, the dollar is the quote. Okay, the euro is the base, the dollar is the quote. Okay, now, for example, let's take Euro USD. Okay, whereby euro is the base, okay, and USD is the quote. So now, let's say I believe Euro USD wants to go up. So for me, the whole process of it is that I'm buying. Let's say the price for Euro USD is 1.35210. Okay, let's say it's 1.35210. That means I need to pay, for me to buy Euro USD, I need to pay $1.352 to buy 1 euro. And so that's exactly what's going on in Forex market. Okay, I need to buy, let's say the coin's price of it is 1.35210. Okay, that means I need to buy I need to pay in 1.352 of the quote currency or the counter currency to buy the base currency. That's exactly all what currency pairs are. And there are there are so many pairs. There are so many pairs in the Forex market. Okay, and the major ones that we are going to be actively training you on are the Euro USD, GBP USD, the Euro JPY, the GBP JPY, gold, that's XAU USD, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's all you need to know on currency pairs. Okay, but let's dive into the main thing now. Okay, yeah, so there are so many currency pairs. There are so many pairs at all, you know. There are so many currency pairs we have in the Forex market. Okay, but the ones we are going to be majorly working with are the Euro USD, okay, the GBP USD, the Euro JPY, the GBP JPY, XAU USD bracket gold. We're going to be working with USD card also. Okay, so now that's all you need to know about currency pairs, about understanding your technical tools and so on. Okay, now thank you very much for joining me on this module. Thank you very much for joining me on this module. I'll see you in the next one. Stay with us.